All right, good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I am a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. I say that all the time, but it's true. Here to help you understand wave structure, guys. If you're like most people, wave structure is your least knowledgeable topic. You don't understand how the waves move together, how the structures of the fives and the threes that are put together to make the formations you see on the chart, and how they indicate direction, guys. But that's what we're doing on this channel, guys. I want to give you a very, very important update today, guys, because finally clarity has come to the market to some degree. We'll see if it's right. We'll see if the trade idea is right. I'm going to share it with you. This is something I shared with the Discord this morning, and I hesitate to share it with you today because I don't want the market makers and any whales watching my videos to change their plans. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Not that I'm all that, but sometimes I feel that way. Nevertheless, let's see what the market's going to give us. Okay, guys? Okay, so we're looking at Ethereum this morning, and we're going to look at Bitcoin and see what they're doing. Okay, now, right now you see a very complicated pattern on your chart right now. So I'm gonna take it all away, and I'm gonna rebuild it for you so you can see and understand every aspect of it. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just clear it all off. Now, what we have here, what I start with usually is I just identify all the fives and the threes and understand how they're working together. So the first thing I see is, okay, I've got a 5-wave impulse off the top. So we got 5 waves now. So that means if we got 5 waves, we're looking for a 3-wave pullback. Okay. Now you might, what we were thinking was the pullback was this. We were thinking about A, B, and C, and that pullback was finished, and then we go down for more lows. But the problem with that is that we had a higher high that was made here. You say, what in the world happened there? Let me explain what I think is happening and what I think the wave is going to do, so you guys can be ready for the potentiality of this being a correct call. We are currently long right now, just trading the last wave of this up move before we take a nice short coming. But let me show you what. First off, what I do see is that I have a nice ABC flat right here, and I'm constrained by that flat. I've got to. I need to keep that as my primary because that, as far as I'm concerned, that is the count for that right there. It's a 3, and a 5. I've done exhaustive counts on that, and certainly that is what that is. Now, welcome to my family in the background. They're going out to play Nerf guns or take the dog out or whatever. But anyway, welcome to my home. Anyway, with that said, so that's an ABC, so that's clear. So now what? Well, what we ended up getting off the top of that, instead of what I thought we were going to get, was an impulse to the downside. Thought we were going to start working our way down. A simple way, but I said also it could come down complexly as well. And so it looks like we're going to get the complex wave, guys, and even more complex than I talked about the other day. What we got right now, just to identify the wave structure, is a 3-wave there. And this actually right here is another 3-wave move, guys. I'm expecting one more hit to the high before it comes on down. Most likely that's the way it's going to play out. So what we have now is a 3-wave move to the downside. Then we have another 3-wave move that goes to the upside that breaks the high, and that's a telltale sign for, you guessed it, another flat. And I'm looking for 5 waves down like that. Okay, so that's the next wave. We're looking for a flat to finish. If we can get a target for that somewhere, I would say somewhere around, I don't know, between 1418 and 1374 would be a decent target for a flat correction. Somewhere in there, just like that. Maybe even a little deeper, wick down to the 1618. I can't say, but make sure that's closed. My son should close the door. All right, so got a 3-wave. So we started with a 3-wave flat. Then we got another potential 3-wave flat if that plays out. So if both of those play out, guys, here's what we're gonna have. We're gonna have a 3. We're going to have a 3 down, and then we're going to be looking for either a 5 or a 3 up, and that's going to be a large scale flat as well. So that's going to be our 3-wave correction, correcting all of that. So we got a 5-wave impulse, and our 3-wave correction is going to be very complex, looking like that. So what that's going to be, guys, about to get whipsawed, but it's exciting for us because we can trade it both ways. Okay, so we're about to get whipsawed in the market. We're about to get a very sharp move to the downside. It's going to be impulsive to the downside. Everybody's going to get a bit bearish, and crypto's going down, down, down. All the videos are going to change on YouTube during that process, and then boom, it's going to reverse and give you a very bullish wave to the upside. We're ready for that, guys. If that happens, we are ready for that. If that idea takes place, this is my primary trade idea going on right now. Okay, so we're looking for an impulse wave to the downside and then a 5-wave move to the upside. So what that would be is a large A, B, and C. And that would be a flat. Let's change the color here to blue because that's a different color, and let's go to primary as our primary target. There we go, and that's what we'd be looking for, guys. An impulse back to the upside. Now, how far is that going to go? I can't tell you until we really get this wave down. So we need to finish this wave and then get this wave down, and then this one started before I can give you a really good target. But I can give you a preliminary target right now, at least looking for a possibility somewhere back up to, that's going to get us up to our $1,800 region, guys. Somewhere back in that range. So it's going to get it. That's the 3-wave move we've been looking for since I've been talking about this for a while. So the wave structures, have just been quite difficult, especially with all these flats. But it's becoming clearer for sure for me. So my Discord is already up on this information, and I hesitated to share it with you guys, but I felt like, man, you guys really need to know this. But here's what I want you to know, guys. The Discord is where it's at, okay? Just want to say that. They get information daily, twice a day, plus charts during the week. And there's 3 different tiers of information you can join, guys. So if you want this access information to this, because I don't make YouTube videos every day, guys. I make 2 Discord lives a day. Every day we do market analysis every day, twice a day, plus I'm around other times of the day for availability and meetings and consultations and all this stuff. So guys, the Discord is where it's at. It's $25 a month right now. When I go full time, the prices are going to change. I'm not going to double them probably, but they're going to change. And anybody who enters now within the month of March will be grandfathered into any change I make in the price for the future, because the Discord is going to become even better once I'm able to make that my full-time job. And I'm transitioning to that now. Got about a week and a half to 2 weeks of work left to finish up the jobs that I'm doing. So with that said, I'd encourage you, join the Discord. You'll have this information before anybody else does. And I won't always share on YouTube every detail of our trading plan, because there are people that pay for it, and wouldn't be fair. So guys, anybody that's trading in this market, you really, really need to protect your capital with daily analysis and understanding where the markets are going, especially if you're novice or you can't read charts. You need to be underneath somebody who can read charts so you can begin to learn and pick up on how to read the charts in the same way. So I just encourage you to come because these are complex markets and these are complex moves that are going to happen. And God's granted me wisdom along this. I've asked for wisdom from Him that I might help others see and to make a living for their family in these dangerous times during COVID. And that's one of my prayers, that just God will just bless the technical analysis and bless you guys through it, so that as life is changing for us in this world, guys, we can make it through this world together. So anyway, I want to invite you in to the Discord, but I'll do all I can for you on YouTube. But I just can't promise anything because I'm so busy in the Discord and in life right now. It's hard to get YouTube videos out. We stayed home from church today because my kids are sick, and with COVID, you just don't go out when you're sick. And they got sniffles. They don't have COVID. They just got sniffles, and they've got a little cold or whatever. It's just a spring cold, but we just stayed home, and we're gonna do family worship here. But with that being said, anyway, I had time today to do a YouTube video. We're going to do Sunday night charts as well tonight. That'll be 8 o'clock. But I wanted to get this information out to you because this is what I see happening. Okay? All right. So basically, yeah, after this 5-wave move, after this flat is done, what we want to see then is a move down to the downside. And that's when we're going to hit our lower targets. And what that's going to be, let me just zoom out just a little bit more. What that's going to be then is our 3-wave move off the top. That's going to give us a 3-wave correction off the top, get down to about $1,000 or something like that. Let me see if I can pull the fibs and see if I get any kind of target. Yeah, about 1129, could get down to 936. We'll have to see when all this is finished. If it finishes, if it plays out the way I'm thinking about it, we'll have to see where it comes. But that's the way I'm looking at the wave, guys. Things can change at the drop of a hat, guys. As soon as this particular trade idea is invalidated, then we go to the next one. So you got to realize about Elliott wave, guys. In 2 days, 3 days, I might find out that this wave count is incorrect. This is not the market is not doing what I'm expecting, and therefore we invalidate it. And that's why it's important to be part of the Discord, or at least available, because on a daily basis, twice a day, we're looking at the chart, we're making sure we're on track, and we're adjusting our trade plans according to the market. And that's what we do, and that's how we trade it. So again, invite you in. It's a great place to be. All right. With that said, looking for this 3-wave move to finish. So here's the trade plan. Take a screenshot of that. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see if it plays out. The same thing for BTC, guys. Same thing for BTC. I'll just zoom out and show you the trade plan there as well. Finishing up this 3-wave move here. Looking for it to, after this wave is finished, looking for it to come on down in the C wave and finish this 3-wave move. Following a move to the downside here, we're looking for an upside move there. Again, the Discord will have targets, but this is just an idea of the shape that we're looking for right there. So you're welcome to take a screenshot of that and do the best you can trading with that if you're not part of the Discord. If you are part of the Discord, you've got access to daily charts. You know where the targets are. All right, guys. Well, that's it. I just wanted to share that idea. We're looking for a flat, big, complex move to the upside, and then afterwards, looking for a heavier dump to the downside. That's the way I'm thinking right now. That could change depending upon how the market moves. But with that being said, guys, hope you have a blessed Sunday. Don't forget the one who made you. He is worthy of honor and glory and power because he created all things, and for his pleasure they are and were created. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.